Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how you can identify the pituitary gland under a microscope. So if you see the slide under a microscope, it will look like this. The pituitary gland is having three lobes: the neurohypophysis, the adenohypophysis, and the pars intermedia. The neurohypophysis will look like a thread-like appearance and a bit lightish in color, and will have small dots which will be darker, and they will represent the supporting cell, right? In case of pars intermedia, there will be a follicle which will be filled with colloid or some fluid, and it will have a pinkish appearance because the colloid will be plain pink color. And then in case of adenohypophysis, there will not be any thread-like appearance. There you will see some cells there which will be arranged in the form of cords, and the cords will have acidophilic and basophilic cells like thyrotroph, corticotroph. A lot of cells are there which will produce the hormones and will be influenced by the hypothalamus. So in the identification point, you have to write that it is having three lobes: the neurohypophysis, the pars intermedia, and adenohypophysis. These 3 points are enough to write for the pituitary gland. In the further detail, you can write in the pars intermedia there is follicle, not a single, there are follicles. And in case of neurohypophysis, there will be nervous tissue. In case of adenohypophysis, there will be sinusoids in the cord. Sinusoid will also be present in the neurohypophysis, and because it will have blood supply, right? And then the gland is surrounded by a capsule. And other than this, the last point that is mentioned here is that in the pituitary gland there are acidophilic cells, basophilic cells, and pituitary cells are there. And now we are going ahead toward some other picture. So this is a picture of the follicle that I took at the lab. So it is representing a pars intermedia, right? And this is the lining of this follicle. And in this exam, you might have this type of fixation of the slide. So you can see the three lobes there, and then mark the answer as pituitary gland, right? So this is the nervous tissue. You can see a thread-like appearance, but these small spots are the nuclei of the supporting cells. There will be pituicytes also. Then it is a pars intermedia. You can see a big follicle, small follicles are there. This one is a bigger follicle. And then for the adenohypophysis, these are the cells which will be arranged in the form of cords. You can see. And the pinkish appearance is of the sinusoids. So that's all about the pituitary gland. Thank you.